cat people! How are you today? I am Catlady Antigoni and today we are trying mineral makeup! Very recently I received a PR box from TiKei Mineral Cosmetics, which obviously specialize in mineral cosmetics. Mineral cosmetics are basically cosmetics which are made from substances that you can find directly from Earth. That makes them more natural, more environmentally friendly, more good for the skin, and I have read, but I'm not sure if it's true. I'm not a chemist, I'm not a skin expert, but anyway, I'm gonna tell you the info, and if you want to make your own research, please feel free to do, and if you know more, please write down in the comments. Anyway, so I read that they even offer more sun protection. So to me, it's a very intriguing idea since I've never tried anything mineral. So I'm so excited, and if you're as excited as I am, let's start! So I'm gonna start from my eyes as always. They have sent me 3 pigments. So here we have Charisma, which is a reddish brown with shimmer. It's very nice. I don't know if you follow me on Instagram, but if you follow me, I have done some stories already and I have swatched everything. So you can find swatches here. I'm not gonna do swatches right now. They are performing amazingly on my hand, but you know my opinion about swatches, so I really wanna try them. Then I have Silence, which is a very nice pastel pink, a nudish color basically. And here I have Midnight, which is a very promising dark deep blue. And also I'm planning to use their blush on my eyes, which is the shade Gorgeous, and it's basically a pink one with micro shimmer inside, and I feel that it's gonna be amazing with these colors. So let me open them for you and show you the inside. So this is the packaging, and if I'm opening it, I find this protecting plastic. So in order to reach the holes, I need to move it like that. So I find it very great because then I reduce the waste, because it prevents it from being everywhere, from the powder to be, you know, all over the place, and I really appreciate it because I have a tendency, I have a talent, I would like to say, to create a mess out of nowhere. So with this protective plastic, I'm sure that this is not gonna happen, at least with these cosmetics. So this is it basically, and I'm starting by Silence to create a base for my eyes, and let's do it. I already feel very happy with the high quality that this pigment has, and now I'm ready to move on, and actually I'm gonna go with the blush. This is in the shade Gorgeous. It's a very nice pink, and again it has the same sealing system. I have used it, so that's why it's a little bit dirty, and I already have first impressions for this one. It's equally amazing with the eyeshadow, and I don't know if you can see the shift from the eyeshadow. It's stunning. Like, I don't know, like I feel that I have found a new favorite pigment for this inside the eye area. I guess I don't need to say anything about the blending and how nicely they are blending with each other without losing their vibrancy though, something that I really appreciate. Next I'm gonna use this Charisma shade, and I'm gonna remove the lid completely because I want to take a lot of it. So I'm gonna continue here next to the pink. I'm gonna finish with my eyes by using the shade Midnight, and then a lot of blending is coming. Under my eye area, I will apply again Charisma, and I'm not gonna blend it with some other colors because I really liked it, and I feel that it needs its space. Okay, so the eyes are ready. and I would like to hear your opinion about the color combination. I wanted to use as many colors as possible. I'm super happy with the quality, and actually if you have any questions or comments, thoughts, whatever, you can always write down below and we can discuss as much as you want. Now, I have primed my face with NYX Professional Makeup, the Marshmallow Primer. I don't know if this step is necessary with mineral makeup. I'm not really sure. I just prime it just in case. I don't want to, be unfair and say that it's not good quality or something like that. I want to be equally fair when I'm doing a review. And now I'm moving on to the foundation. So for foundation, I have Peach Zero. I'm so happy about the shade range that they have at their webpage. Like they have from the lightest, which is 0, all the subtones like warm, cold, neutral with cold, neutral with warm. They're amazing. To the, of course, darkest shade, and that makes them so versatile, and I love it when they have all the shades and they do not consider that like all the people have like 5 shades and that's all. No, that's great actually what they are doing. So I'm gonna use the Peach Zero as I already said. And I'm gonna use it with their brush, the brush that they sent me, this kabuki brush right here. It's so soft and nice. I really look forward in using this. I am afraid that I have chosen a very light shade of foundation, but they also sent me this sample right here, which is peach number 1, because they understood that I'm not like a ghosty white or something. So yeah, I think that this foundation might be better for me. As you can see, the foundation is great, the coverage is very nice, but I overestimated how white is my skin, so I chose 0. It's wrong, but I'm gonna use it either as a concealer or as a powder because I really love the formula. They sent me the correct one, and I really thank them for not just letting me be with 0 and have nothing to put on my face today. Actually, it's the first time that I'm using powder mineral foundation because usually I go with liquid foundation, and I'm amazed. It's super good. And now it's time for the concealer, so hopefully this is the correct shade. Again, I chose 0 Rose, so this is it, and we will see together how it performs. Foundation is here, concealer is here, and now it's time for bronzer and blush. So for blush, I'm gonna obviously use the Gorgeous, which you can see on my eyes already. And for bronzer, I have this one right here. This shade is Original. I feel that it's a little bit more orangey for me, but I will try to make it work somehow, and I will blend it a lot with the blush. So let's apply them. And now it's time for the Greek word of the day. So today we are working with mineral makeup, and of course I'm gonna tell you the Greek word for minerals. So in Greek we say orikta. Say with me, o-ri-kta, orikta. As always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write a comment down below using the word orikta, or try to say it in your own native language. You might have noticed that I fixed my brows, I added some fake lashes, and now it's time to do my lips. So I prepared my lips with this pencil right here. This is from Glam Shop, a Polish indie brand, and this is called Milk Chocolate, and also it has a Polish name, which definitely I'm not gonna even try to use it today. And I'm gonna use their lipstick from TiKei Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Sanremo. So I'm gonna show you the shade. It's a very nice color, very unique. I don't have anything similar in my collection, and I'm so intrigued by it. So let's see how it performs. Yeah, it's so good. I feel it's so soft on my lips. It gave that satin effect, so it's great. I'm super happy with it as well. So let's go to the general view for TiKei Mineral Cosmetics. All in all, I loved them. Whatever I tried, it's so good, just great. I love the foundation because although that it's a powder form and I was kind of afraid that it might make my face look cakey, nope, it's perfect. In the end, it's very good. It doesn't give that dry effect to my face. I feel that my face can breathe actually. It is high coverage without all the negative effects from the high coverage products. So I'm very happy. Same with the concealer, the eyeshadows are performing amazingly. They are blendable, they are so pigmented as you can see on my eyes. Their lipstick is so unique. I love it. I love the shade as well. Like, this doesn't really have to do with the brand, but the shade is beautiful. Also, of course, they are cruelty free, otherwise I wouldn't have accepted to collab with them. That's very, very obvious. But they are also vegan. They are not using carmine, beeswax, and of course their brushes are not from animal hair, they are synthetic. And that's actually great. I give them a big thumbs up for this reason, and I'm so happy to collab with companies which are both vegan and cruelty free. And I think that in the future I'm planning to buy more products by myself with my own money because I'm very happy with their quality and I really want to try more, especially their lipsticks and their eyeshadows. The foundation is perfect, the concealer is perfect, but I feel that I have enough for many months, so I want to focus a little bit more on their eyeshadows. And that was it for today. I hope that you enjoyed the video, I hope that you learned some things about mineral makeup, I hope that you like the brand as well. If you actually enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more makeup content. Also, I have Instagram, people. My Instagram page is Catlady Antigoni. You can find it down here as always, and there I'm uploading some exclusive content like Q&As or votings or unboxings. For example, I unboxed everything from TiKei firstly on Instagram, so you actually had a sneak peek. So yeah, if you want to be updated to everything, you can just go and follow me. Again, thank you so much for being here with me today. See you next time. Until then, bye bye!